Let's get to a reaction coming in from SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav on the occasion of Eid. He claims he's been stopped by police officials repeatedly. Akhilesh Yadav has cried foul, claiming Muslims are being stopped from celebrating Eid and has questioned what's the need for this kind of security deployment, saying there's excessive curbs on the occasion of Eid in Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav has spoken of his own personal experience, saying, I was stopped by cops for nearly 30 minutes when I stepped out to celebrate Eid. Listen to what the SP chief had to say.
जब मैं आज आ रहा था तो जानबूझ करके पुलिस ने मुझे रोका। मैंने जानना चाहा कि भाई क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे हो। पूरी बैरिकेडिंग लगा करके मुझे आधे घंटे जब बात की तब जाने दिया, बड़ी मुश्किल से। आखिरकार इसको मैं क्या मानूं, क्या समझूं? इसको मैं तानाशाही समझूं, मैं इसको इमरजेंसी समझूं, लेकिन ऐसी बैरिकेडिंग कभी नहीं देखी। और बैरिकेडिंग इसलिए की जा रही थी कि लोग त्यौहार ना मना पाएं। सबसे बड़ा खतरा लोकतंत्र को है, संविधान को है। ये सरकार बड़ी जिम्मेदारी के साथ मैं कह सकता हूं, या मुझे नहीं कहना चाहिए, कि ये देश भारतीय जनता पार्टी संविधान से नहीं चला रही है।
Okay, let's bring in Samarth Srivastava for more details on this. Samarth, you've got Akhilesh Yadav claiming there are excessive curbs on the occasion of Eid, and so Muslims are not being allowed to step outside and celebrate. Has there been any clarification that's come in from the UP police on Akhilesh's claim that he was stopped from moving for 30 minutes?
Well, exactly. So far, no clarification has come from Uttar Pradesh police, but Akhilesh Yadav's statement is quite clear that when he was going to Eidgah Ashbagh, because he has been there for years, not just him, even UP Deputy CM Brajesh Pathak goes there. If Rajnath Singh is in Lucknow, he was MLA from Lucknow before. So it has been a tendency for since the time of Mulayam Singh Yadav. Senior leaders do visit Eidgah Ashbagh on the day of Eid. So it was another year when Akhilesh Yadav was moving to Eidgah along with his convoy, and as per him, police team stopped his convoy, and it took around 30 minutes for him to leave with just one single car to enter inside the Eidgah. So that's what Akhilesh Yadav has claimed. He says that cops barred him from Eid celebration, from entering the Eidgah. And he even claims that excessive Eid day curbs are into force. Wherever he's going, he's seeing a lot of barricades all around. It seems that it's something like emergencies happen. It's not a festival. So that's what Akhilesh Yadav is claiming and taking on the government.
Okay, we'll track the reactions that come in from the government on this, and if there's any clarification that comes in from the Uttar Pradesh police. Thanks for the moment, Samarth, for joining us.